I'm not a doctor. He isn't 43 years old. They aren't from Portugal. In this lesson, we are going to learn about negative sentences with the verb be. So how do we form negative be? I am not. So as you can see, after am, we just add the word not. And in speaking and when writing informal letters, emails, we also use the contracted form. So I'm not. You are not, or you aren't. He is not, he isn't. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. Plural, we are not, we aren't. You are not, you aren't. They are not, they aren't. Now let's have a look at some examples with negative be in sentences. I'm not Sarah, I'm Rebecca. You aren't 43 years old, you're 34. Robert isn't a plumber, he's an electrician. Sophia isn't Mexican, she's Brazilian. The car isn't blue, it's green. We aren't interested in tennis, we're interested in basketball. You aren't short, you're tall. Kate and Steve aren't from England, they're from Ireland. I hope everything is clear. And now it's time for this lesson's challenge. In the comments below, write negative sentences for these 3 examples. I'm 99 years old. She's a dentist. They're from India. Good luck with the challenge. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.